4 vehicles totaled on the road, and a sneezing fit may be to blame. Investigators on the scene say that a woman who apparently was experiencing a sneezing attack drifted into a head-on crash with a tow truck. It happened a little before 12 o'clock today in the 10,300 block of Wetmore Road near MacArthur View. The driver of the tow truck ended up with his vehicle on its side, as you see, smashing the 2 cars it had on board as well. Police say it appears both drivers escaped injury, but the tow truck driver was taken to the hospital. All 4 vehicles were totaled.
Keep up to date with all of San Antonio's top news, weather, and so much more by clicking the like and subscribe buttons below. And once again, thanks for watching KSAT.